So Fortnite's new season, Absolute Doom, has just released, and you may be wondering, what are the best attachments? So in today's video, I'm going to go over the new weapons, their base damage, and some of the attachments I would recommend putting on your guns for this season. So without further ado, let's get into it. Psst, subscribe. So first up, we have the Monarch pistol, and personally, this is going to be my main, DMR sniper-ish weapon, because it just does an absurd amount of damage if you can hit your shots. Now, one thing to know about this new pistol is it has little to no drop-off range, so it's pretty good for hitting consistent shots. And there's a little secret with it where if you aim down sights or you right click or aim in, you do more damage for body shot and headshot. So just a little trick, if you're going for trick shots, try you can use the non-ADS feature. But if you want to go for DMR tags and get Storm Surge in competitive, which is going to be important, you're going to want an ADS as a headshot can do 130 to 140 damage. I'm not quite sure just yet. Where this is still like everything's still being leaked. Next, we've also got the dual SMGs, which are pretty sick. I do love myself some dual SMGs as they are pretty good damage. However, they aren't very good when you're like quite far away. They do about 8 damage, so just be careful because you never know what could happen. So also they do have a little bit of bloom, and they also have a lot of bullet drop. So again, just be careful. Now, moving on to the new shotgun, because the dual SMGs aren't moddable. The new shotgun is really cool. It's got a good high DPS, damage per second, for those who don't know. It's got really fast fire rate, it's got a really quick reload time, and the mods you can put onto it are really good. So we're going to get into mods in a minute, the best ones in my opinion. But then we've also got the Striker Burst Assault Rifle. Now, this isn't the one from Chapter 3. This is the new one from this season where you can mod it, and it has bullet drop, so be careful with that one. And it does an insane amount of damage. It can do up to 80 headshot, which is insane. I do recommend picking this up if you're going for, just some little DMR tags. Well, not DMR, surge tags, or you're trying to pick off players, crack their shield, waste their heals, doing like your best. Or if you're really good at aiming, you can just eliminate players with this on height, as it is perfect. Now, let's get into my most wanted mods that I think you should put on here. So in the background, you obviously that I've been playing for the past minute or so. I've been showing some background gameplay of the base guns without any mods, just showing the base damages, just showing combos you could probably pull off, like the shotgun and the new pistol. So it's pretty good. You can rapid fire them. But now let's cut to some actually the mods. I just wanted to let you guys know some gameplay, some tactics, just doing some basics. But anyway, sorry for wasting your time. Let's get into modding. So first, we're going to kick it off with the Monarch pistol. Now, you can't really do much modifications because obviously you can only put laser on this one. But that is what you want because it's really good at hip firing. I recommend putting this 1.2 scope on it, as well as speed mags. You can fire, reload really quickly, and then fire. You don't need any of these bottom ones because it's not shooting fast enough in order to make a difference. As you can see, the hip firing, there's not really any need for a decreased recoil. Maybe the suppressor could help if you're trying to be sneaky, but it's really no point. As you can see, it doesn't really help with gameplay. It still does the same damage, it just helps you. Now, one thing to know with this pistol, as I'm building up here, it has close to zero drop-off range and close to zero damage drop-off. So you could be on the other side of the map and just beaming people with this. I'm not kidding. This in Cash Cup, I am going to be scared to face someone with this if I can't find one, because your angles really are important with this gun. I can't wait to get better with it and hit better shots. But anyways, let's move on to the shotgun. Now, there's not really much because you can't obviously put drum mag or speed mag on this, so you really have to do laser or vertical full grip, and you don't really want to scope on it because it's a shotgun. It's not going to go well. So we're just going to put reduced recoil and laser on it. So as you see, it's really nothing major. You don't really need to mod your shotgun as much because it's a shotgun. It's not doing anything. Laser would help with the incredible amount of spread on the shotgun, but it's not going to help to the point where it increases damage. Now moving to the Burst Striker, this is godly. If you add the reduced recoil with laser, drum mag or speed mag, depending what you want, and this scope here, the 1.2 circle one, this becomes a god machine. This thing has 0 recoil, a perfect scope. Now, you could swap this out for the thermal scope if you wanted to, but it does god damage. Look at this. Ready? Boom. Zero bloom, 0 like bullet change. It's just an insane laser beam. I would definitely recommend this. You know, because obviously, as you can see, I'm building up here, trying to look for something. Yeah, these. It's got low drop off, just like the pistol, so you can beam people across and get like your AR surge tags. As I'm building up here, I'm gonna try and show you the damage on some of these other NPCs. Because one thing to note is if you're on height of the lobby and you're like looking for surge tags, you know, because you're in an FNCS Grand Finals or the Global Championship coming up. You can be looking around, you can be shooting out someone's box, you're able to see them, and then, boom, you're able to hip fire them. Look at that hip fire, and obviously the ADS is going to do so much more favor. You can look back, you can go over here, obviously you can hip fire these guys, it's pretty good, and, you know, if you go to the one over here, you know, it's pretty good. But that's pretty much all, because you can't mob the dual SMGs. Thank you guys so much for watching. A like is always appreciated if, you know, you're planning to stick around. Sorry, a little cough there, unprofessional. But I would appreciate if you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below, because, you know, it helps out a ton. It really does, and it makes me feel motivated, as I'm planning to change this channel's name to Pistol Demon Life, so I'm not just gaming. I'm, you know, showing more about my life. So, thank you guys so much for watching. With that being said, have a great day, and peace out.